Welcome.
Welcome to PLA University.
PLA University is a workforce development program that was specifically designed to support our scholars' families so that they can achieve economic strength.
Anyone over the age of 18 is eligible for the tuition-free PLA University.
We currently offer 5 career tracks in healthcare, information technology, supply chain and logistics, advanced manufacturing, and entrepreneurship.
PLA University is putting families in a position to be able to also push themselves to the forefront.
They are seeing real change, and the magnitude of the impact and the energy around that is just so contagious.
Through hard work and discipline, perseverance, and strategic effort, you can be what you desire to be.
Choose your path.